After a visit to Taiwan, U.S. House Speaker Kevin McCarthy received backlash from China, who sanctioned the Ronald Reagan Presidential Library and launched a 3-day military exercise. Then, China sanctioned House Foreign Affairs Committee Chairman Michael McCaul, Republican Texas, who visited Taiwan to discuss weapons deals. McCaul said being sanctioned by the Chinese Communist Party is a badge of honor, and that the United States will remain committed to supporting democratic nations, including Taiwan. Relations between the U.S. and China are now at a historic low due to disagreements on human rights, pandemic responses, and more.